Top free video generators you can use right now. YouTube, 0 o'clock. Alright, so I've tried over 30 AI tools lately, and these 5, they're on another level. Like, you can literally generate unlimited videos just from text, or even images. And the crazy part, even on the free plan, they actually say unlimited generations, with no watermark. One of them even does full lip sync, 0:16. And yeah, you can monetize those videos on YouTube. Tool number 3 is my personal fave. I use it the most, but tool number 5, almost no one knows about it. So try it before it blows up and they slap a price tag on it. Anyway, let's jump straight in. So, the first tool I want to show you is called Here. And trust me, this one is wild. 0:34. You'll find the link to it right below in the description. So, don't worry about searching for it. Alright, once you're on the site, just sign up using your Gmail super quick. But here's the thing, for some people, the site might not load. So, if that happens, just connect to any VPN server and reload the page. That usually fixes it. 0:50. Now let me walk you through what Ver can do. It can turn text into images, images into other images, and even images into full AI videos. And the best part? They've clearly written on the site, unlimited and free. No watermark, no catch. It's rare to see that. Let's quickly try generating an image. So, you just go to text to image, click on generate image from text. 112. And now here's where you write your prompt. Then scroll down a bit and choose your aspect ratio, square, landscape, whatever you prefer. And then hit generate. Boom. Your image is ready. Just click on it to download. Now, here's where the magic happens. Click on image to video. Upload the image you just created, and then give it a little image description again. 131. Then type a video prompt like how you want it to move, or what kind of vibe you want. After that, hit generate, and that's it. Your video is ready. And remember, you can repeat this as many times as you want. This tool literally lets you create unlimited videos completely free. Alright, now let's move to tool number 2. And this one's insane, 149. If you want to make lip sync videos that actually look good, again, you'll find the link right in the description. Just click on it, and then hit try it now. Once you're in, sign up with your email, and you'll land on the dashboard. Now, here's where the fun begins. You can either type out your transcript, or just upload a ready-made audio file, whichever works best for you. 210. Then, simply upload the image you want to lip sync. Could be your AI character, a cartoon face, whatever you've got. After that, just click generate and wait a few seconds, and boom, this is just the beginning. Next, you'll see how to turn images into videos, add music, and do it all in one platform. Don't skip a second and hit subscribe to stay ahead with Simplify. 231. You'll see your image actually talking with perfect lip sync. It's kind of crazy how accurate it is. If you're making YouTube shorts or faceless videos, this tool can seriously upgrade your content. Now, the third tool. This one's actually my favorite out of the entire list, because the results look straight up cinematic. 249. But there's a twist. The tool is fully in Chinese, so let me show you how to unlock it in English in under 30 seconds. First, click the link in the description. It'll take you to the main page. Click Try Now and sign in with your email. You can use the temp mail like I did. Then, click on the first big box. 306. That's where you'll type your prompt. Now, you'll notice everything's in Chinese. Google Translate won't help here. So, here's the fix. Install the Immersive Translate Chrome extension. It autorates everything inside the interface in real time. Once it's running, you'll see everything in English, like magic. Now, enter your prompt, 322. After that, you'll see some optional settings like prompt enhancement for cleaner results. Camera movement enhancement. To give it that cinematic vibe, choose up to 2 Kelvin quality. You can even type background music like lo-fi beat or epic strings. Once everything's set, hit generate and wait a few seconds. You'll get a high-quality cinematic video that honestly looks like it came from a professional studio. 351. This is the tool I personally use the most, and now you can too without the language barrier. Now, the fourth tool is from Google AI, and yeah, it's the one everyone's been talking about lately. The best part? You don't need a credit card or any free trial. Just open the link, click Generate Media, and head to the VO section. 410. From here, you've got 2 options. Upload an image to animate, or just write your prompt to create a video from scratch. Now, here's something to know. Sometimes it shows an error, usually because of too many users at once. If that happens, no worries. Just click the generate button again, try a couple of times. If it still doesn't work, give it a few minutes, and come back. 430. When it does run, it generates an 8-second video clip, and the quality is absolutely insane, like movie trailer level. And yes, it's completely free. Now comes the tool nobody is talking about, is Morph Studio. And honestly, it's a hidden gem. Once you sign into your account, you'll see it offers text to image, text to video, image to video, and even lets you stylize existing videos. 5 o'clock. Let me show you real quick how it works. First, we'll create an image. Click where it says type your text here. Choose your image ratio and hit generate. It takes just a few seconds and boom, your image is ready. Now, click on the image and we'll animate it into a video. Just type in your animation prompt, hit generate, and look at the result. 5:20. Seriously, look at the quality. It's stunning, smooth, cinematic, and completely free. You can even stylize your own videos if you upload a clip. There's just so much packed inside this one platform. So yeah, each one of these tools is totally free, and honestly, the quality speaks for itself. If you want to start creating viral AI videos without spending a single dollar, these tools are the perfect place to begin. 5:44. Personally, I love Tool 1 for turning photos into videos, Tool 3 for those cinematic shots, and Morph Studio as an all-in-one solution. Let me know in the comments if you want a part 2. I've got some more secret tools lined up that you don't want to miss. And hey, if you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button, share it with your friends, and check out the next video while I finish uploading part 2. Till then, bye.